Hi, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about simple interaction applications. An interactive application is a collection of subjects intended for performing certain tasks when the user triggers the command. Before that, we have to know about the non-interactive application. Non-interactive application operates without human involvement. For example, compiler and batch processing applications. Compiler is a program that converts the high-level programs in the machine-level program. Similarly, the batch processing is the execution of a series of jobs in a program on a computer without manual intervention. So we know that an interactive application is a collection of objects. The interactive application shares a graphical user interface. It consists of forms on which the components such as buttons and text fields are present. In attractive applications, one page can be linked with other page dynamically. Especially in the case of interactive web applications, this link of the pages is through hyperlink. This link is based on user input. Typical examples of interactive applications are online course registration system and online shopping system. Advantage of interactive application: it increases the engagement of users in collaborative productions. The information can be shared using email, print, and files. The files can be easily shared, accessed, edited, and saved. This helps in boosting the communication. The tools such as 3D modeling, hyperlink, and video link, and other applications can be embedded within an interactive application. The information can be made available to the fingertip by touching screen technology. Two perspectives about the interactive applications: one user perspective and producer perspective. User's perspective about the interactive application: the user uses the interactive application for getting required information. The user always wants that the desired information must be neatly arranged on the application. Poor information architectures make the user to feel confused. There are two modes of browsing information, that is known item searching and casual browsing. The known item searching is done by users who know what they are looking for. They know what is the meaning of particular label, how to proceed for getting particular label, how to proceed for getting a particular information, and from where to leave. The casual browsing is done by the user who do not know what they are looking for. Sometimes they do not know anything about the product or services on the corresponding website. They just getting the knowledge about the product or service present on the website and leave. Next, producer perspective. Cost is the major issue while building the information architecture from producer perspective. Anyone cannot predict the exact cost of the information architecture. However, depending on the goal and the nature of the application, the investment required for the building the information can be predicted. The information architecture must be well designed to reduce the cost. There are several steps for creating a simple interactive web applications. First step: understanding the data items and data dictionary. Data item identifies the unit of information. It defines how the items can be used. A data dictionary is the collection of descriptions of that data objects. are items in a data model, which is dynamic. Any changes in the data items are effectively immediately for all applications that include the data items. Next step, understanding the table design. A relational database table stores the data that an application uses in columns and rows. Each row is a record, each column is a data item. One or more tables can be used in application. To create a table, the required data items are selected. These data items must already exist in the data dictionary. Then assign the key fields as indexing for retrieving and updating the data belonging to the tables. The various operations performed on the database tables, which are create, insert record, delete a particular record, and update some records. Understanding the business viewing design. A business view is a selection of data items from one or more tables. After creating a table, use business view design to choose only the data items that are required for the application. Use appropriate SQL statements to retrieve the data from any of the supported database. Next, understanding the form design. Form design is an important part of interactive application. Applications are composed of forms, and a form is the interaction between a user and a table. This interface should be present the data logically and contain the functions that are necessary to enter and manipulate data. The form design task can be accomplished by placing various components such as data box, label, buttons, and etc. on the form at a particular location. Understanding the report design. Report design is used to present the business data stored in the database. Report is basically some kind of template. Each report is compressed of sections which are the building block of all reports. Within the template, you can add, hide, remove, and rearrange the sections as needed. Understanding the data structure design. Data structures are a key element of any programming language. A data structure is a list of parameters that passes data among applications and tables or forms. Understanding event rule design. Events are the activities that occur on the form of an interactive application. Event can be initiated by user or an application. Events rules are logical statements that can create and attach to events. The design of event rules is essential to apply the business logic to the interactive applications. Understanding the system functions. System functions are procedures provided by the tools and are usually specific to the type of component being used. For example, there are system functions to hide and show fields on an application.